Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to share with you again simple recipe DIY face toner for oily skin, because I do have oily skin. So if you like to see what kind of ingredients I will be using and the process, keep watching this video. Well, so what we're gonna need, scales just to weigh our ingredients. Little container, so I have in here my container. It's already with the label on it because I was doing it before and I was trying on. So and now for this recipe I'm using my rosemary hydrosol, which I made it myself. How to make your own rosemary or any other herb hydrosol, you can check my video. So I have in here, so for this recipe I'm using 50% of rosemary hydrosol. Then I'm gonna use a 35% of aloe vera juice, then 8% of witch hazel, 5% of vegetable glycerin, 1% of preservative eco. You need to put the preservative in your formulas if your formula contains water. In this case, aloe vera juice and rosemary hydrosol, it is water-based. And 1% of rosemary essential oil. So I have in here, I'm gonna do like 50 milliliters. So how to convert percentages into grams, I will leave little formula in the description box below. So for 50 milliliters, what we need is 25 grams of rosemary hydrosol, which I have it here. Okay, I'm just putting on my scales and I will just keep adding now the rest of the ingredients. So aloe vera juice is like 17 grams. We'll add aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is very good for oily and acne prone skin, as you know that. Then I will add 4 grams of witch hazel, just stirring it out. My scale, 4 grams. Yes. Then 2.5 grams of vegetable glycerin. 2.5 grams vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin keeps the moisture onto your skin, so it's very good for your skin. And then 1%, which will be 0.5 grams of Preservative Eco, which is a natural preservative. 0.5. I'm tearing it out. Come on. And 0.5% of rosemary essential oil. So it's gonna be about 20 drops or so. Yes, perfect. And that's it. It's all here. So I'm just gonna transfer into my little container. I like to use little containers because they are very, like, I don't need to use it for a long time. That means that I can experiment with the different ingredients, different time, and it's very good for travel, or if you're just going somewhere and you don't like to bring your big containers. So, and yes. Voila! I'm just gonna transfer in my container, close it, and give a good shake. You will see that your toner, if it will get cloudy, or there is some oils and water-based ingredients, if you will see that they will separate, because they will separate, just shake every time before you use. So I'm using this in the morning, in the evening, sometimes even during the day. If it's very hot, if I feel that my skin is too oily or it has too much dirt on it. So I'm using it a few times a day and I really like this recipe. I hope you like it too. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. And I will see you next week. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.